think he is connecting. Had your lunch?
Yeah, I had it just 15 minutes back.
Okay.
Yeah. So you're in office or you're working from home?
Monday we don't work from office, so yeah, I'm at home now.
Okay.
Okay, I think we will get started, Hassan. Is it okay if I address you, Hassan?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's okay.
All right. So I think in the interest of time, we will get started while my colleague joins.
Sure, sure.
So thank you for joining us, Hassan. A quick round of introduction. My name is Arjun. I manage a couple of products for OpenText. I'm based out of Bangalore. And my colleague Ganesh will join in a moment. He is also based out of Bangalore. He just joined.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Hi,
And
Ganesh.
Hey, Hassan. Hey, Arjun.
hi Ganesh. We both manage a couple of products at our own portfolios. So the role for which you have applied is for a technical support specialist.
Yes,
I hope you've got the JD about the role.
yes, yes.
Okay. If you have any questions or doubts, just keep it till end of the interview. We will answer all of them.
Okay,
All right.
okay. Yep.
Also, where are you currently based out of?
I'm in Bangalore as of now.
You're in Bangalore. Okay. All right. So, are you flexible to work in different shifts?
Yes, I am.
Because okay. And how about working from office? Are you open for that as well?
Yeah, I was informed that as of now, it's an hybrid model. What I knew about from HR. So, is it like hybrid or it's working from office like 5 to 5 days?
So currently it is 3 days work from office,
Okay.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday,
Okay.
mandatorily these 3 days.
Okay.
So it might stay as it is, or it might change in the future. We are really not sure,
Okay.
but we don't foresee anything as such. I mean, it might stay as it is. But
Okay.
these 3 days we work out of
Okay,
office.
okay. And just one question, I mean, how often these shift changes?
Minimum quarterly,
Okay,
but we cannot comment anything at the moment because this is a transition project. Initially, when we set up, it might stay for 6 months or 8 months on the same shift.
okay,
Once everything sets up, then we will start rotating.
okay,
But
okay,
minimum a quarter, not before that.
okay. Got it.
Right. So morning 5:30 is the first shift, and then afternoon 12:30 is the EMEA, and then NA we do two shifts. EST is done 5:30 or 6:30.
Yep,
PST is done 8:30 or 9:30.
yep.
So those are standard shifts in which we operate.
Okay.
All right. I think if that's good, we can get started. Over to you, Hassan. You can go ahead and
Yeah, okay. Hi, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Asan Viral. I'm based out from Lucknow. So I have total 3.6 years of experience, and I was working with Microland as a senior engineer, where I handled multiple projects where I was utilized with different technologies at once, which was Windows, Linux, AIX, and IBM AS400, with where I was exposed to cloud as well, Azure, virtualization technique, VMware. Then where we used to handle all the OS level of troubleshooting, patching the systems, monitoring the servers from the monitoring tool like SolarWinds. We used to check the vulnerabilities of the servers. Apart from that, I used to write SOPs as well for the team. So I mean, where we can document each and every troubleshooting steps from end to end. From Microland, I switched to Commvault, which is a backup and cyber resilient company, where we used to handle all the backup and recovery, so backup and recovery for the enterprise, and where we support Windows, Linux, and all the Office 365 applications. Yep.
Ganesh, I think you're talking on mute.
Sorry, guys. Yeah, I was on mute. Yeah. Okay, so Ehsan, how was your technical interview prior to this discussion? How do you think it went?
It went good. Some on At some point I got stuck where I haven't worked, where I didn't have any prior experience. So there, to be honest, there I got stuck. But yeah, I mean overall it went well.
Okay. So, where is your core, or rather, it's too early to talk about core technical expertise, probably because you have 3 years of experience, you mentioned. So,
Yes.
probably in the last 3 years, what do you think, which area has been the most challenging and the most favorite area of yours in terms of technical knowledge that you have gained?
So if I just rate from for 1 to 5, then I would say if I talk about operating system, that then I would be selecting Linux as my core, then Windows, then AIX. But I usually work on both OS, Windows and Linux. But I would prefer working on Linux. But I'm open for any technologies. Even I'm open for new technologies as well, where I can learn and utilize my skills. So even I would love to learn DevOps as well. So these are the technologies which I used to uh, which I want to learn very much.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you mentioned Unix as your or Linux as your core skill that you have developed in the last 3 years, right?
Yes, yes.
Could you help me with some 10 important commands in Linux that you run on a very regular basis?
So basic so first basic command I would say was uptime, where we check the uptime of a server, from how many days the server has been up. Then we go for top command, where we used all the where we check all the process, real time process, where we can check the process ID, name of process, and how much consumption is there. Then free hyphen h memory, where we see the memory. And then df hyphen h, where we see the file system utilization. Du hyphen sh star, where we use how much the disk utilization is, how much files are utilizing. Then chmod command to modify the permissions. chown used to change the ownership. If we are using red hat systems, then yum command for the package upgrade. If you are using ubuntu system, then apt for the package upgradation. Then tar command for to compress the file, gunzip, gzip. So these are the commands which we used on a daily basis.
Okay. Uh, okay, cool. So, can you help me with the command that you can use to probably open a file and edit it in case of Linux?
Vi editor, we used to vi command, or
Okay.
a second option would be nano.
Okay. And what if I want to just read a particular file in Linux
Read a particular file.
without having to edit it? Yeah.
Cat.
Okay. Anything else?
uh, we can do for vi, then cat. And I mean, if we want to read a file from top, then more is the command. If you want to read from bottom, then less is the command. So we can do accordingly.
Okay. Okay. Uh, can you help me with, if you see a slow performance issue in an application, what would be the beginning step to troubleshoot this particular issue?
Okay, so I mean, we have different approach. I mean, if the application is slow, we can check for the top command how much it is being utilized. So accordingly, we can go check if that particular application file system is heavily utilized. So we can go do the troubleshooting steps as like we can free up some space in the file system, because if it is above 90%, then automatically the performance of the application will slow down. So we cannot directly delete any data from the file system because it may be application data, so we need to take the approval from the application team, sorry. If they can approve it, so though we can delete it. Apart from that, there's a workaround which is better, what I feel. You can compress the file. You don't want to delete the data, you can compress the file and delete the original file. So the data will remain, but it will be in compressed form. uh, then free hyphen h for the memory, I mean the memory. uh, and what is happening in the back end of the application, we can go and check the slash var slash log. So we can check the logs as well, what is happening in the back end. So we can proceed accordingly.
Okay. And Ehsan, what is the specific reason that you're looking out for a change?
uh, So, because I, as of now, see, a Commvault is a good company, and it's a purely related to backup and cyber agent company. So, the issues which I mean, I'm working as of now uh, is a basic issue as a work. I'm working as a in a basic, using very basic troubleshooting. So, and it's purely related to backup software. So when I went through the JD, and in my last interview, technical interview, when I asked the panel that what would be my roles and responsibility day to day, I was more interested into working with Windows, Linux, and cloud technology. Even Sunana, one of the interview was named Sunana. She told me that you would be working with application troubleshooting as well, like debugging, all those things. So this for these particular reasons, I'm looking for a change, because Commvault is a purely backup related software. So here I want to work, because I have worked past 3 years in microland for Linux and Windows. So I want to excel my expertise in Linux, Windows, cloud, virtualization, or application troubleshooting, application support. That's why.
Okay. So, do you understand exactly what this role is going to be about? Like the role that you have applied for in open text?
So I mean, yes.
Mm-hmm.
So what I felt was that the issues which I'll get would be more related to any Windows error, like the application is not running, or application is slow, or or same goes for Linux as well. So even for the cloud as well, it includes cloud issues as well.
Mm-hmm. So, to be really honest, I would like to let you know that this role is basically in this role basically you'll be working more on products of open text rather than any operating system.
Okay.
The way you mentioned about backup and recovery products in Commvault, right? So something similar, you will be working on open text products which are for different purposes. Like some of the products are for cybersecurity, some of the products are for AI and analytics. Some of the products are for IT operations management, while some are for application delivery management, right? So these are the four different types of
Yeah.
products that we are currently hiring for, right? Group of products, I would say, under each of them. So you won't be directly working on any of the operating systems. What I typically mean is you won't be troubleshooting any issue related to the operating system, be it Windows or Linux. It will be more on the application or the product
Yeah.
that you will be supporting. And if there is an underlying operating system issue, then it is, the customers, vendors responsibility, like say for example Microsoft or Red Hat or whoever, right, is their vendor of the operating system, so it becomes their responsibility to troubleshoot the issues related to operating
Yeah,
system, right?
yes.
Yeah.
Even when I went through the OpenText website and just going through what OpenText does is what are the products. So I was more keen towards the projects which is offering by OpenText, like in the domain of cybersecurity, DevOps, or AI driven analytics.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
No, but the reason I'm saying is, again, as you mentioned that in Commvault you are doing something different than what you had learned in the first 3 years.
yeah.
So I would say it would be something similar, right? That is the reason I want to check with you. Are you really interested to do a product support? Because this is purely a product support and not an operating system support or administration.
Yeah, yeah, but see, I mean, just to inform you that, like, I mean, I am not that. I'm just little bit not interested in storage or backup, but yeah, I would be more keen and would love to work with any product which is aligned to DevOps, cybersecurity, or AI. I mean, these are something which truly encourage me and to learn new things.
Okay, so any specific reason that you joined Commvault, knowing that it is a, back basically Commvault, sells backup and recovery products?
In the initial time, actually, that was informed that my roles and responsibilities would be related to Windows and Linux. So that was the main issue. I mean, after a while, when I started, then it was said, okay, then I got to know it was a purely product support, because in Commvault we have particular team which is for product support, and different team which is used for system engineering. So I was informed that we would be working with Windows and Linux troubleshooting.
So here upfront, Ehsan,
Yeah, yeah.
we are letting you know that you will be working on the products,
Yes, yes.
right,
Yeah,
of OpenText
yeah.
and not on Windows and
Correct,
Linux
correct.
operating
And
system,
yeah,
right?
I truly
Mm.
appreciate Ganesh, and that's what I'm just confirming you that I would love to work with any these particular products, which is you could say the future of the technologies, because as in my opinion, DevOps or AI is more into the upcoming technologies, which will be grabbing the whole world.
So for that matter, Ehsan, we do have few products which are related to backup and recovery. So what happens if you are put there?
Okay, you are putting me in a difficult situation now. Okay, but no, I mean, see, I didn't knew about any of the backup and backup software for an OpenText. To be very honest,
Okay, so can you name some of the products that you're aware about in OpenText?
there's a, I mean, there's like open text there's a open text for, I mean, in media management is there, AppWorks is there, intelligent capture is there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I have read about one Fusanic security suit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you mentioned about DevOps. So what do you think OpenText can offer you in terms of DevOps? Like if you're aware about it, if even does OpenText have anything related to DevOps or AI? I'm just wanting to see because you mentioned about these things, right?
So I mean, not read about the particular product, but I was just going through. through the company.
Okay.
So it
Sure.
should, yeah, it should be like these are the domain where open text products are there.
Okay. Can you help us to understand some of the, key performance metrics on which your performance is evaluated? Like, I don't know if Commvault would be a right example because it's been probably 6 months that you joined.
Yes.
Whatever, like, Microland or Commvault, whatever, wherever you're comfortable with
Hmm.
the key performance metrics.
Key performance metrics. For Commvault and Micron, I'll talk both because
Mm-hmm. Sure.
even in Commvault it's been 6 months, but the number of you could say in Commvault it's based on the number of cases which have been worked and number of cases which I'm closing per quarter. So I'll tell you. I mean, I would be honestly telling you. So I in my there's a total number of 10 number of people in my team. So from past 2 quarters, I mean this one and the last one, I was the second one who was being the who had the most closures. So and the consistency, punctuality, and the process, the what process we have in Comworld, I am following that process in order to handle the customers, closing the cases or handling the technology. So these are the key metrics where I've been evaluated. In Microland, there was nothing like you could say number of cases, number of tickets closed, but it was like the performance, the consistency of the performance, and handling major issues, critical issues. These were I mean these were the, and what all trainings I'm going through, what I'm learning new things. So these were the metrics which in which I was evaluated in Microland.
Okay. And in Commvault, do you have something like customer satisfaction?
Yes, I we do.
Mm-hmm.
So I mean, uh, yeah, I received multiple CSAT, VSAT, and even the comments from the customer after the cases which is closed. So these are the reviews which I got after the closures.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yes, as of
Anything else that you can recollect or
Uh,
remember?
as of now, it's been 6 months in Comworld. I have not got. I mean, I've not got any DSAT or VDSAT or any of the customer escalations from past 6 months in my team. I would be brutally honest, Ganesh. In my this 6 months of career, I have not got any customer escalation or field escalation from any of the customers. So that is something I wanted to tell you, that is, I feel like it is okay. I mean, it is good.
Okay. And what is, or what is the difference that you see in the first 2.5, 3 years in Microland versus the few months in Commvault? Like, which area of the work do you like in Commvault, and which area of work you are probably not liking in Commvault?
In the I mean, in Comworld, what I felt from my past, from my first organization, was like, I mean, I'm no one, or I would not say anything because I have not felt any negative side or the bad side of Comworld. I would say nothing about, because what I know and what I feel, it's a great company where you can learn new things. You would be exposing to uh, good technology, and I mean, the pressure is also good. The pressure is also good in that sense that you can just utilize your skills. You can do the hard work. So uh, in there, in the microland, it was like you are getting cases, you are getting the tickets on service now, you are acknowledging it, and the troubleshooting goes in the back end. So the difference between the microland and comworld is something like you get any case. So what my approach is, instead of doing the log analysis of any uh, trouble of any product support, you better go on a call and troubleshoot it on the call itself and do the log analysis. So that will give you the better picture of the product. What could be the issue? It is a product issue, or and it could be anything. I mean, you can analyze better on the call itself, and you can close the case on the call itself if you got the solution. So in Microland and Ecom world, this was the biggest difference. What I felt is we used to go log into the server. In Microland, we were not going on the call very much. We used to join the call in Microland when there was a you could say production server is down, like Linux or Windows. Then there was a bridge call used to happen, so where all the teams were on the call itself and troubleshooting. Like, but in Com world, all for every cases we used to go on a call and do the log analysis. So my approach is like that only. If any high case or any critical case comes in, instead of doing the offline log analysis, you prefer go on a call itself with the customer and do the live troubleshooting.
Okay. So you are saying that you like to go on a call with the customer and troubleshoot the issue then and there.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And what is the hindsight of it? Like, what is probably what is something in com world that you are not liking as compared to microland? What it could be? Leave the technical part aside, like you mentioned that you come from infra background and now you're doing a product support, but leaving that aside, what is the other thing that, or what is the other reason that you're looking for a change?
Other reason,
Because you are in a product support company, you have spent 6 months learning backup and recovery. You are again switch. You applied for a product support company, and you will be learning some other product or probably backup and recovery for another 6 months, and then like how does it align with your career goals, or how will you progress if you keep switching between product companies, selling different products? So what is the other reason for your change? Or is it, just you got an opportunity and you're up, you
no, I
plan
mean,
to.
this is I mean, uh, you could say this is a as of now, I've not, apart from any technical aspect, I could not recall anything which is in a negative side from when I compare to Microland and Comworld. But this is I mean, in Comworld, this is not a full-time role. It's I'm on a contractual basis.
Okay, so you're working for a third party
Yes, yes,
payroll is what you're
yes,
saying?
yes, yes,
Okay, and you're not a full-time Comvault employee.
yes.
Okay, and what is the contract period?
Uh, it was in Feb, but now it is extended to this last 25. I mean, the
December, is
yes,
it?
yes.
Okay, okay. Do you have any questions for us, Hassan?
Uh, just, I mean, I wanted to just check, like, anything like what I mean, I would be, I'm not sure which product would I be supporting or something else, like, but usually what are, like, I mean, this is OpenText is also product support, but uh, where
Hassan,
I
you can settle down. It's okay. You can get normal and you can probably have a glass of water and then ask your questions. That's absolutely fine.
yeah, I mean, just wanted to check that
Mm-hmm.
Here, if I've been to, if I'll assign to any of the product,
Mm-hmm.
so I mean, is there any transition or something like after 6 months you will be supporting, you are going to support this product of open text, now you need to support any other product, something like that?
You mean to say change in product is what you're talking
Yes,
about?
yes.
Okay, so typically, as I know, we generally don't prefer people to move from one product to another altogether.
Mm-hmm.
Cross-skilling, upskilling definitely happens
Yes.
because, that is part of your, I wouldn't say short-term goal, but definitely medium to long-term goal,
Mm-hmm.
right? Because short-term, of course, whichever product you're assigned to is going to be your immediate skill, or probably you need to skill up in that immediately, and then over a medium to long term you can start cross skilling in other products that based on the business needs, as well as it could be an individual aspiration. It could be either of them, right?
Yeah.
So typically, to answer you, not in short term, maybe in medium, but definitely in long term.
Yeah, just I mean I'm open for that also, because I would love to cross skill myself in terms of any product.
Okay. Any other questions, Hassan?
Uh, Apart from getting the update from HR, any update, any suggestion or reviews for me, from you Ganesh or Arjun, anything would be fine. Technical, non-technical, anything.
Rather, Hassan will stick to sharing the feedback with the TA and they can get back to you, right? So, so that would be a
Maybe,
better way to
may-
proceed. Yeah. Yeah,
maybe I
Arjun,
could
please.
just say.
Yes.
I mean, Ihsan was saying that he's not aware of the backup recovery. So we have Carbonite, we have Cloud Ally, we have Data Protect Enterprise,
Okay.
and we have couple of more
Okay.
backup solutions.
Okay.
Maybe you can check them.
Sure, sure.
So, Hassan,
Sorry.
what else? Any other questions?
No, not as of now.
Okay. And what is your current CTC looking like, Hassan?
Current CTC, I mean, expected CTC or the current CTC?
Current,
Current
current.
is 7 LPA.
Okay, and the expected?
I'm not sure. I mean, what is the slab or the offering from the open text that we can just
No,
I
that's okay. Don't worry about that. Probably something that is in your mind, you can just call it out.
okay. I am expecting near about 10.
Okay, 10 lakhs per annum, right?
Yes.
Okay. Um, okay, and what is your notice period looking like, Hassan?
30 days.
Okay, okay. And are you actively looking out for a change, or is it like, luck by chance you just had to have come to this interview?
No, no. I'm actively looking for a change, Ganesh.
Okay, okay. Cool. Any other offers or any other discussions in progress at the moment?
Yeah, I have another discussions as well, aligned with OpenText.
No, I didn't follow. Like with open text you mentioned.
I mean, with OpenText, I have another discussions going on with different organization as well.
So you mean to say apart from open text, you are also in discussion with some other organization, is
Yes,
what you're
yes,
saying?
yes.
Okay. Okay. And anything that materialized, do you have any offer in hand?
Not as of now. Most probably, luckily today I would receive.
Okay. So what if, you have an offer from X company and then open text also hires? Which one would you go for?
It depends. I mean, I would see. I would prefer open text because it's a product based. I mean, I would prefer product based comparatively than a service based.
Okay. Okay, cool. Arjun, anything?
No, I think I'm good. I don't have any
Okay,
questions.
cool. That's pretty much Ehsan, unless and until you have anything for us.
No, Ganesh, I'm good as of now.
Okay, Cool. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Hassan, for your
Okay.
time today.
Okay. Thank you, Ganesh. Thank you, Arjun.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
You too.
चलो सवाल पूछ लेते हैं कि क्यों चेंज कर रहे हो, छः महीने में बाद में तो नहीं चेंज करोगे। कोई बात नहीं, इसको हम अभी घर में डालेंगे। ये ये तो हम उसको में जा रहे हैं पूरा करते हो रहा है। पानी में डाल देना ना इसको। एक बार पानी में डाल दो, नहीं वो एक बार और कर देना, इसको इसको कर देना, इसमें भी है, इसको भी रख देंगे। अंडा ब्रेड बना? अंडा ब्रेड बना? हाँ बना दो, रुक जाओ अभी हम पहले नहा लें। तो जब तक हम बनाएंगे जा रहे हैं। हाँ हाँ ठीक है।